Hi, it's Sandy from This Vital Stuff again, and we are diving deeper into the starter kit, the premium starter kit with Young Living Essential Oils. So today we're going to put the spotlight on Purification. Purification is a blend that I use fairly often, but I don't use it straight. I use it like extremely diluted. Most of the time when I use it, it's in a little spray bottle like this, which only has a couple drops. Mixed with a little bit of Epsom salts and then put into the water. So I use it fairly frequently, but I don't use a lot of it when I use it. Anytime I smell something funky in the house, like we have a wood stove that we use through the winter a lot, and we have 2 humidifiers down in the family room with it, and those filters sometimes get to smelling a little funky. So sometimes I'll drop a drop or 2 straight out of the bottle into the water that's in those humidifiers downstairs. But a lot of times if I get that funky smell somewhere, I'll just spray a couple sprays out of here as a room deodorizer. I may or may not have gone into my son's room when he wasn't home a few times and sprayed this in there. Yeah, it just kind of, it's almost like an odor eliminator. It's got just a fresh smell, but it doesn't smell chemically or anything like that. It doesn't really mask the odors. It just kind of makes them go away, and I really like it. This little bottle usually lives in my purse. You can see how worn that label is. It usually lives in my purse, and I like to use this on my hands when I've been out shopping, but I want to eat something. I feel a whole lot better spraying this on my hands before I eat. It is a blend of citronella, lemongrass, rosemary, melaleuca, lavender, and myrtle. Now here's what each one of those ingredients is. Citronella is deodorizing and purifying. We all know, when we think of citronella, most of us think of insects and how they don't like it. Lemongrass, one of the few things I can actually say for the FDA about lemongrass is it uplifts your spirit, okay? Rosemary is energizing and cleansing. Melaleuca is also known as tea tree oil, and it acts as a cleanser. Look up melaleuca. You will be amazed at how many things melaleuca can help with. A lot of people who live in extremely humid areas where they have issues with the moisture affecting things and making odors love tea tree oil, melaleuca. Lavender is a great cleansing oil, and then myrtle, this says it's euphoric and cleansing. Your respiratory system loves the myrtle. It is full of just oils that are good for cleansing. A lot of people like to keep it in their first aid kit because it can get rid of oils. A lot of people like to put it on before they go outside, or if they forget their outdoor spray, they'll use Purification for that. So what are some everyday uses of Purification? Stinky shoes. You can put a drop on a cotton ball, stick it down inside the shoes. Some people like to put a couple drops on their vacuum filter and get that nice fresh smell there. It's great to put around your ears, you know, when you're traveling or during sinus months, during seasonal changes in spring and summer. During the colder months, it helps as well. But again, if you're going to put it around your ear, make sure you don't get it inside your ear. We don't put oils inside our ears. You can diffuse this one in your home, in your office, in a hotel room. You know, sometimes you walk in a hotel room and it's just got that funky smell. You can put it in there. Your car, whatever. You can diffuse it on and off throughout the day. You can diffuse it in your car. You get one of those little orb diffusers. They're kind of spill proof, but they go into the cigarette lighter in your car. You can also put a couple drops on a cotton ball, stick it on the bottom of your garbage can or your diaper pail or whatever the case is there. Topically, you can apply this one to your VitaFlex points on your ears, your feet, your temples. You can also apply it to the area of concern. It says to promote healthy skin or to cleanse your skin. It does blend really well with, especially with Citrus Fresh, with Melrose, and with Thieves. It is part of the Premium Starter Kit. It's also part of the Everyday Oils collection. Then I've got a whole list of recipes for you here that use purification. I've got some diffuser ones. one called Immune Booster, one called No More Cranky Pants. That one's a roller, a spray bottle, you know, something you would make up like this. It's called Out in the Woods. It uses Steve's Purification, peppermint, a couple other things. Stink Be Gone spray, a dishwasher detergent, and a basic fabric softener. So I will make those available to you guys as the freebie for this video in a little PDF that you can download, so look for the link for that. Basically, you can use Purification to replace the candle, the air freshener, the plug-in that you have, whatever you have that you're using to make things smell fresher, cleaner. Yeah, you can use Purification in place of that. So think about it. You know, what have you got around your house that could be replaced with a healthy, more natural way, get some more of the chemicals out of your home? And that's what it's all about. It's all about gradually replacing things that are not helpful to your health and putting more healthy things in their place. So yeah, you're going to get the fresh scent and whatnot in your house, but you're also going to be breathing in all those oils that are in that blend, and they're going to do what they do inside your body. That's one of the things I love about oils. Let me get off topic a little bit here. The flexibility that oils give you. Like, for instance, if you're diffusing lavender because you want the smell of lavender, you're still going to get all of the benefits that lavender has. Your body is going to know what to do with all those molecules that it breathes in. So yeah, you might just have a nice smell, but you're going to get every other benefit that lavender has. Your body knows what to do with that. So it's great when you diffuse Purification or you spray it just to get the odors out. You're also getting the health benefits. So yeah, it's like win-win. So anyway, that's our spotlight on Purification. If you have some ways that you use it, pop them into a comment, or send me an email, any idea. You can send it to Sandy with an I, at thisvitalstuff.com, and I will be talking to you guys later. Bye-bye.